Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Carey Digital. I am Carey and I'm a Canva certified creative, a Canva champion, a Canva ambassador, a Canva lover, user, and advocate for Canva. And on this channel, I share all the tips, hacks, and tricks you want to know about Canva and how you can utilize it in your small business or just anything at all that you're undertaking, right? In this video, I'm going to talk about creating curved text in Canva. So pretty much you want to know, can I curve a text in Canva and how do I even do that? So let's jump right into it. So I'm going to show you how easily you can create your curved text in Canva, and it's better with Canva Pro. So if you're on the free version of Canva, you want to test out Canva Pro, you can try it for 45 days for free by clicking the link in my description. And that's like 45 days to test out all the awesome features on Canva, including how to curve your text. So the first thing is we have our text here, and I'm going to go to effects, and in effects you will see style, which shows you just the different styles you can or change you can make to your text. And then we have shape, so literally it's on none, and once I select curve, your text is curved. And you can make your text a curve in the sense of as an arch, and I'm going to also show you that you can make it just a little wavy. So if you want to play around and add some dynamics to your text, you can do all of that by clicking the curve when you select effects, right? And I'm going to also create just a fun graphic for you, or just a quick and easy graphic that you can create for yourself. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to add an image. So I'm going to go to elements, I'm going to add a frame, and I'm going to click a circle, and then I'm going to go into my uploads. I have a lot of photos here, and I'm going to go back to effects and change the curve text, and it's like this. So you can see how you can play around with the curve text with your other design elements such as photos. And then I'm going to duplicate this text, and then I'm going to go back to effects, curve, and voila. So you see how you can add and play around with your curved text here. So let's do this with Carey, right? So it's just for you to be mindful of the text size, the fonts you utilize, and all of that. But you can have so much fun with your curved text. You can make it an arch, you can make it circular. So I'm going to show you how you can do that with circular. I'm going to go back to elements, I'm going to add a circle, and you can just literally, I'm going to change the color of this circle, make things easier, and you can just literally play around with it and see how much fun you have, right? So this is how easy it is for you to curve a text in Canva. It literally takes seconds. It not take no time, as we'd say in Jamaica. It not take no time for you to create it. As long as you have Canva Pro, you just need to select the font, or create your font, sorry, or write your font. What am I saying, guys? You just literally need to write that text, click effects, and then voila. So this is the end product. If you have any questions for me, just drop it in the comments and I'll be glad to answer them all.